Hello mga momshies! Kamusta kayo? Isang tahimik pero makulay na araw na naman dito sa German countryside. Samahan niyo ko as I juggle life with my two toddlers. Nagsimula ang Thursday namin sa dental check-up ni eldest. Brave ang bagets ko ha. At dahil dyan, reward muna sa kick. Hindi pwedeng hindi dadaan dito. Okay. I see. I see. Dumaan na rin kami sa Deichmann para kumuha ng bagong sapatos at medyas. Mabilis talagang lumaki ang mga bata, no? Parang kailan lang bumili kami. Ngayon, kailangan na naman ng bago. Exactly 20.
No, 25 and we buy 26 and she is a little bit.
Friday na, time to pick up my big girl. Ito nang pinakainaantay nilang part pagkatapos ng school.
Because she wants her pet. She wants to walk with her pet. Ay, natumba si Laura. Ito, nagpakarga na lang kasi natumba.
Nag-ice cream muna kami sa ilalim ng puno, napakasarap ng hangin. Ganito lang kami kasimple dito sa probinsya, ice cream lang, solve na ang banding ng mag-iina.
The teacher told me that it
Yeah, I'm good.
what happened. Like you said,
That.
don't run on the street.
Pagdating sa bahay, eto na ang reality, sabay ang trabaho at gawaing bahay. Habang nagko-computer ako, salang din ang niluluto ko para sa aming dinner. Hassle kung hassle.
Hi. What do you like?
I want to buy juice
Okay. Okay.
and I want to buy French fries.
Okay. You got French fries here.
Here is my payment. Where's my French fries? Thank you. Nom, 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 nom.
Mama.
Huh?
Yes.
Yeah, where is my juice? Here's my juice. Here's my
already
payment for
gotten-
juice.
Here.
Nom 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 nom. Danke schön. Meron na tayong bigas, anak.
What?
We have already our...
Right here.
Yeah, I just want to check the flowers. How much is this?
Yeah, I like it.
14 euro. Mahal. Look, ang ganda ng tanim, guys. Oh. It's 40 euro. Ay, 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 ay. How much?
You like it.
Yeah. 1 euro 99.
1 euro 99.
Eto na, pauwi na kami ng bahay. Salamat sa pagsama sa amin sa munting ganap namin dito sa German countryside. Sana nag-enjoy din kayo sa panunood. See you sa susunod na vlog mga momshies. Bye!